Hey everybody, Nathan from Clubcard here again. Welcome back to our quick tips video tutorial series. Today we're going to show you how to save a PDF file for print. So if we go over to our Adobe Illustrator document here, you can see I've got a business card set up, 3.5 by 2 with the 1/8 inch bleed around the edge. If you're not sure about how to set up bleed or this critical margin here, make sure to go back and watch our first tutorial video that details how to set up a document for print, which covers those topics. But this is ready to go. I'm ready to save this and send it off to Clubcard for printing. I'm going to go up to the top left here and select File, Save As. By default, you'll have Adobe Illustrator file type selected. We're going to change that to PDF. And we'll give this file a name and click Save down at the bottom here. Now this will bring up the Save Adobe PDF window. This gives you a bunch of options for compression of images, printer's marks, all that fun stuff. To make it simple, what you can do is just under the Adobe PDF preset drop down here, click that and select PDF X-1A 2001. This will in general work for anything you want to print here at Clubcard. It's a pretty catch-all kind of preset that's very standard for printing. The one thing you will have to change is under the Marks and Bleeds tab here. You're going to want to click this Use Document Bleed Settings option. And what that does is puts in the 1/8 of an inch bleed on the top left, bottom, and right, so that the bleed is actually included when saving the file. That's essential for us to receive your file with the correct bleed area included. Up here you can see there is options for printer's marks. A lot of people think they have to supply crops and bleed marks and color bars and all that stuff. Don't worry about that stuff. We will set that up for you when we create the press sheets for the order. As long as your document is set up at the right size with bleed, there's no need for us to get files with those trim marks included. So we're going to click Save PDF. Now if I go over to where I saved that and open it up, you can see I've got a PDF document with the front on page 1 and the back on page 2. That's pretty much it. This file could now be attached and uploaded when you're submitting your order online at clubcard.ca. So yeah, thanks very much. Be sure to check out clubcard.ca for all of our products and pricing. If you have any questions, as always, you can click the Let's Chat button down in the bottom right corner here. We're going to do more of these videos, continue on with the quick tips. So if you have any special requests, anything you're not sure about, be sure to let us know in the comments. Yeah, thanks everybody. Have a great day.